Hello again, everyone. Well, as you can see, got some work going on, tearing the car apart, trying to find the issues and fix them if I can, and blah blah blah. But more importantly, the purpose of this video, I just wanted to talk to you guys about that announcement that I said I had. So, at the end of Sunday of track weekend, one of the buddies that I had been running with on the track, one of the two, we just kind of formed a little bit of a group and had some fun. But I was packing up, and he came up to me, and I don't know how he guessed it, but he came up and was like, "Hey, man, so I can tell you've got a passion for this, and we've also talked about what you're trying to do." And he kind of just went straight for it and goes, "There's a endurance race, Spec 3. He drives a Beamer, and I think he's got a shop and a team that he drives for. But anyway, he offered me the spot, or a spot, that he said was still open to his knowledge, to be on that 24-hour endurance racing team for the same course that we were at, which was the VIR full course." So there we go. That is the announcement. I'm not sure if it's exciting as it sounds, but to me, it just it's a possibility. It leads to hopefully open doors, gets my name out there, and hopefully I put a good name out there for myself if I do get the spot. The only downer of it is that I will have to be spending quite a bit of money because I don't have nearly all the safety equipment that I would need, Han's device being the most expensive of the stuff. But I'm also going to probably have to get a new helmet, and definitely going to get a cool shirt because the race happens in the middle of August, which isn't exactly cool in Virginia. So there's that. But yeah, there we are. I got offered a spot. Haven't heard back from him yet. So about that anyway, we've talked a little bit since the track day, but still waiting to hear back on whether or not the slot is still there, and put all the finances together to see how it'll all come together. So there you have it. Just wanted to let you all know that I could possibly be doing some wheel-to-wheel action rather than and doing passes without getting a point by. So that'll be pretty exciting. But there you have it, y'all. Until next time, stay driven.